Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by importing a high-resolution file, so Canva has data to enhance. Once uploaded, place the image on your canvas and lock aspect ratio to prevent stretching. Make sure the design size matches your output intent. Export dimensions determine clarity. You should avoid resizing smaller files up. Instead, choose the largest original. If you use multiple images, arrange the primary photo on top and mentally prioritize it for enhancement. This first step sets the foundation for a crisp HD result. Now you refine detail with Canva's built-in edits. Select the photo, click Edit Image, and try Enhance or Auto Enhance to let Canva analyze color and sharpness. Then manually tweak Adjust controls, raise sharpness in small steps, increase contrast to add punch, and fine-tune brightness so highlights don't clip. If grain appears, apply noise reduction sparingly. Use background remover to isolate subjects, then refine edges. These middle steps are where clarity improves through careful, incremental changes. Finish by exporting at the highest quality matching your use. For web, choose PNG or high-quality JPG and set the size to the original pixel dimensions. Turn off compression. For print, export PDF print at 300 dpi. Once exported, inspect at 100% zoom to confirm sharpness. If the image looks soft or artifacted, go back to the original file, avoid upscaling, undo over-sharpening, and reapply smaller adjustments. That troubleshooting step fixes most clarity problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.